TikTok friends and family. This is me, Miss Harriet from the Driveby Seasoning Blends, and I'm here today with my brother-in-law, Jeff. The family came down for a family function, and they're here in my house today. And my brother-in-law wants to be on Cooking and Friends, so he's going to make curry chicken today. So are you a cook?
Nah, not at all. Not one bit. I could order though. I'm a good tipper.
You're a good tipper?
I'm a good tipper.
All right, well, he's here. He saw the videos and he was like,
I gotta get my skills up. Yep. And I'm starting with the shrimps.
We're starting with the shrimps.
Yeah.
These are wild caught, all cleaned. So first you're gonna do is light the stove.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna put the oil. We went through the steps so he know like what to do. Like
she pre-gamed me, guys. I'm down for it though.
So I'm so excited. You can put a little bit. Yeah, that's good.
That's
now
up.
we're gonna put the onions in there.
All right.
I already made the rice. I already made the cabbage. So we just gonna fry this up real quick. Just dump them all in. Just fire high. When this starts sizzling, we're gonna put the shrimps in and the seasoning. And it's really, really easy. That's it. So while this is cooking, we'll be right back. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna let this get sauteed up. Look at it solid. And we'll be right back.
I'm doing a little something, y'all.
Okay, we back. So now he's gonna put the shrimps in. The onions are sauteed. Yeah, just put the shrimps in. Now put, woo-wee. Now put the curry in. 2 heaps of curry powder. You don't need a lot. Got it? Hold it over. Yeah. Yes.
Yum, yum.
That's my mother-in-law. They from Boston. Massachusetts.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, so then we're gonna. I guess you could put one more. One more, dude. One more, because it's a lot of things. Yeah. Yeah. Now stir that in. Twist them. After the shrimps get sauteed, then we're gonna put like a half a can of coconut milk. How does it smell?
Ooh, it's getting right now. You know.
And these are one and done recipes. No other seasoning is needed. That looks good. Wow. Okay, we're gonna let these shrimps cook down, and we'll be right back.
Nah, it's sweet. I'm ready to eat. Yes, sir.
Go. Okay. Show everybody the shrimp. Like, give them an up close look. Yeah. See? Now we're gonna put a little bit of coconut milk, a half a can. Add that to the pan. Half a can. And that's it. Let that simmer, and then we're gonna put that over rice. Go ahead. Let's show everybody the seasoning blends. My mother-in-law is over there saying in Spanish. She's the director.
She is. She over here got me over here.
All right, leave it like that. Show everybody the camera. Like, ooh, we can show it close. Show it close. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna be right back for the taste test. Okay, friends, we back, and we're gonna taste it.
Yay!
Let's turn off the fire. Let me turn this fire off. Okay, all right, Jeff.
All right.
I threw in a little bit of cooked carrots. Oh, that looks good.
Put some of this onion.
Okay. And put some on my plate.
All right. Just need all of it.
I put a little bit of cooked carrots.
Oh, okay.
All right, so there we go.
Mmm.
Okay, let's taste.
Wow. Yum, yum.
Honest opinion. I know he loves me, but still, he did this.
Oh, we did this.
We did this.
We did this,
Yes, yes.
I traveled real far just to get some of this shrimp, you know? That's
One
what I'm
thing,
about.
this curry will make your nose run, but
Mmm.
you taste the flavor?
I did this.
You did that.
Yes, you did.
This is your thing. Mmm.
Quick and easy recipes. I'm Miss Harriet from the Driveby Seasoning. My brother-in-law Jeff is here.
Damn! Okay. Let me watch Mama. I love y'all, and I love this too.
All
And
right.
I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you. All right, guys. Hey, it's your boy Jazz. You know, we love you. It's the Ravellos. You know, we're doing our thing. And we just like to say hello. All right? Peace.